We're about to enter Central Park, which is one of the neighborhoods on board Allure of the Sea. This is the most quiet, calmest part of the ship. During the day, you hear the sounds of birds. Then at night, you get the sound of crickets chirping. Nice pathways. Have some real plants and trees. It's open sky. Mostly restaurants. It's vintages, wine tasting. There are a few shops. This coat shop. Nice seating areas. Kind of private there. Some art. Another shop. Park Cafe. Nice little place to eat. Has breakfast. Mostly continental breakfast. Parfaits, oatmeal, things like that. Lots of natural stuff. All those plants hanging down there are real, both sides. Bar. No seating areas. Another restaurant over here. It's Chops Grill. Right in front of us here we have Rice and Tide. That is a bar that goes up and down between the 8th floor and I believe it's the 4th floor? 5th floor. 5th floor. Right now it's up here. A little bit it'll go down, back down to the 5th floor, which is the promenade. Here's Chops Grill. And we're coming up to the other end. Now we'll just turn around and walk around the other side. At the restaurant, 150 Central Park. It's a really nice place up here to take pictures. Sounds like everybody's taking pictures. You have to kind of take your turn, especially in the evening when people are dressed up. We'll come back by through there. Over on the right hand side here is Giovanni's Table. That's one of our favorite restaurants. Had dinner there last night. It was really good. We'll walk through Giovanni's Table here. See if the picture taking area is clear yet. Another nice private seating area. Back to Giovanni's Table.